Deep breathing involves slow, deliberate breaths that can lower cortisol levels and relax the nervous system. During deep breathing, focus on inhaling deeply through the nose, filling the abdomen with air. Exhaling slowly through the mouth is a key component of deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing techniques can be practiced anywhere and anytime to quickly reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Consistent practice of deep breathing can lead to a sustained reduction in stress hormones and improved overall well-being. Engaging in physical activity, such as a 10-minute walk, can boost endorphins and instantly improve mood. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, stimulating the release of neurotransmitters that act as natural mood lifters. Regular physical activity is an effective strategy for managing stress. Physical activity promotes overall well-being. Mindfulness meditation, even when practiced briefly, can effectively reduce anxiety. Mindfulness practice enhances focus by directing attention to the present moment. Mindfulness involves non-judgmental observation of the present moment. Mindfulness allows thoughts and feelings to pass without attachment or resistance. Regular mindfulness practice promotes emotional regulation, fostering calm and clarity.